Good morning, students. Welcome back to Sri Ramanuja Vidya Mandir online classes. Basic Mathematics lecture number 3. So first let me see who are the students present, how many are present. Classroom shows 19 students present. Very poor attendance. Almost 50 students, only 21, 22 students are joining now. Prashant, Uday Tej, Rahul, Sloka, Shilpita, Shreyas, Uday Chandra, Samiksha, Jyotirmayi, like this. So 26 students have joined. 27, 28. Yes. So I am starting the class now. Okay. Okay. So we were discussing about OFPN in the last class. Up to characteristic 8 I have proved. We have found all the OFPN with characteristic 1, 2 and 8. Characteristic 1, 2 and 8 all OFPN we have found. That means we have found a formula to generate all the OFPN with characteristic 1, 2 and 8. And we have proved that there are no OFPN with characteristic 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now again let us see the definition of OFPN once again. Three numbers A, B, C are said to be OFPN, ordered fundamental Pythagorean numbers, provided they satisfy the following four conditions. First condition, they must belong to the set of natural numbers. ABC must be natural numbers. Second condition is A square plus B square is equal to C square. Okay. Next, third condition, if first two conditions are satisfied, then they are called Pythagorean numbers. Natural numbers such that A square plus B square is equal to C square. They are called Pythagorean numbers. Third condition is A less than B less than C. That means they are ordered. Number 4, they have no common factor other than 1. Means they are fundamental. And one more definition, if A, B, C are OFPN, then C minus B is called their characteristic. So let us go to the next page and find all the OFPN with characteristic 9. What are the four conditions for OFPN? First condition, they must be natural numbers. Second condition, A square plus B square is equal to C square. Third condition, they are ordered, means A less than B less than C. This ordered condition is mainly for defining a characteristic. Characteristic is the difference between the greatest number and the next greatest number. So that is why first we have to put them in order, which is to find which is greatest and which is the next greatest. And fourth one, no common factor. That means they are fundamental. No common factor means they are fundamental. Common factor means they are not fundamental, they are secondary. Okay. And one more definition of characteristic is characteristic. Characteristic of the OFPN. It is defined as what? C minus B. That is called characteristic. Now let us find all Pythagorean numbers, ordered fundamental Pythagorean numbers with characteristic 9. Characteristic 9 means C minus B is 9. So take the second condition, A square plus B square is equal to C square. So that is why we can write it as C square minus B square is equal to A square. But C square minus B square is equal to C plus B into C minus B, that is A square. But C minus B is 9, characteristic 9, I can put it here. C plus B into, in place of C minus B, I can put 9. So C plus B is A square by 9. But B and C are natural numbers according to first condition. If B and C are natural numbers, then B plus C or C plus B is also a natural number. So A square by 9 must be a natural number. That means A must be a multiple of 3. It need not be a multiple of 9. It can be just a multiple of 3, then A square by 9 will not be a fraction, it will be a natural number. So let A is equal to some 3m, because it is a multiple of 3. Then what is C plus B then? A square by 9. A square is 9m square. A square is 9m square by 9. So m square. C minus B is 9. That is the characteristic we have seen. C minus B is 9. So these are two equations, we can solve them and find the values of C and B. Adding them, I will get 2C is equal to m square plus 9. Subtracting, I will get 2B is equal to m square minus 9. So, but what is 2C? Is it even or odd? 2C is even because 2 is a factor. Whatever may be C, see whether C is even or odd, 2C is even. 2B is also even. That means m square plus 9 and m square minus 9 both must be even. So m must be odd. Okay, m must be odd. Because if m is odd, then m square is odd. 9 is also odd. Odd plus odd, you will get even. Similarly, odd minus odd is also even. So m must be odd. Otherwise, if m is even, what about m square? Even. Even plus 9 is odd. Even plus odd, you will get odd. But left hand side 2C is even. So m must be odd. So then we have this table. A. Let us use a different color. A. Sorry. I'll put it here. A is equal to here 3m. A is a multiple of 3, so A is equal to 3m. Next B. B is 2b is m square minus 9 here. So m square minus 9 by 2. and C is 2C is m square plus 9, so C is m square plus 9 by 2. And also we have decided that m is odd, m must be odd. So m is odd, I'll write. So this is the table. Let us use some blue color again, or green color. So m is odd, let us put m equal to 1. M equal to 1, what do you get? So 3 into 1, 3. 1 square minus 9 by 2 minus 4. 1 square plus 9 by 2, 5. 3 minus 4, 5. S, between C and B, 5 minus 4 is 9 only. Difference is 9. And 3 square plus minus 4 whole square is also 5 square. That is correct. But two conditions are failing. Which are the two conditions here that are failing? A, B, C must be natural numbers. So minus 4 is not a natural number. So first condition is not satisfied. Second condition, A less than B less than C. 3 must be less than minus 4 less than 5. That is also failing because 3 is not less than minus 4. So because of these two conditions, so these items we have to cancel out, they are not acceptable. So put m is equal to 2, not 2, but 3, odd numbers. M is odd, so m equal to 3. 9, 3 into 3, 9. 3 square minus 9 by 2, so 0. And 9 plus 9 by 2, 9. Again 0 is not a natural number, so we have to strike it off. These are not acceptable. So put m is equal to 3. 3 is over, okay. M equal to 5. Next odd number. 15. 5 square, that is 25 minus 9, 16 by 2, that is 8. 5 square, 25 plus 9, 34 by 2, 17. Once the value of B is obtained, you can get the value of C just by adding 9. Because C minus B is 9 here. Is it not? Characteristic is 9 means C minus B is 9. So after getting B, just add 9, you will get the next number. 15, 8, 17. So this is also not correct because actually these are the numbers 8, 15, 17. Eight, 15, 17, and between 17 and 15 the difference is 2, characteristic 2. Actually this is if you write the OFPN list with characteristic 2, 8, 15, 17 is at the top. That is the first one. So 8, 15, 17, instead of writing 8, 15, 17, we are writing 15, 8, 17, and we are saying that 17 minus 8 difference is 9. That is not correct. Here the order is not followed. A less than B less than C. 15 less than 8 less than 17. That is wrong, is it not? 15 less than 8 less than 17 is wrong. Here it is wrong. 15 is not less than 8. So that is why these are actually numbers with characteristic 2. So these are to be removed. So next one is m equal to 7. M equal to 7. 21. 7 square 49 minus 9. 49 minus 9. 40 by 2, 20. Next one 29. Actually, these are also not acceptable. Why? Why? What is the reason? The reason is, again, these are actually the numbers 20, 21, 29 in the order if you place. 20 less than 21 less, that is the order, and actual characteristic is 8. And in the list of all OFPN with characteristic 8, this is the topmost one. 20, 21, 29 is at the top. That is the first one. Okay. So, here also 21 less than 20 less than 29. That order is not maintained. So, this condition, third condition is failing. So, these are not ordered fundamental Pythagorean numbers. So, we have to remove them. Actually, characteristic is 8, not 9. 20, 21, 29. Characteristic is 8 only. So, remove them. So, I think the next one may yield or the next one. Let us see. M equal to 9. M equal to 3 into 9, 27. 9 square minus 9, 72 by 2, 36. 36 plus 9, 45. Are they okay? No, because 9 is a common factor. Actually, 9 is a common factor. So, if you remove that 9, divide by 9, what happens? 27 by 9, 3, actually 3, 4, 5. These are 3, 4, 5 with the characteristic what? 1. Characteristic 1, if you write the list of ordered fundamental Pythagorean numbers, the topmost one is 3, 4, 5. It starts with 3, 4, 5. Characteristic is 1. That you are multiplying by 9 and saying 27, 36, 45 here. So, 9 is a common factor, so they are not fundamental. Fourth condition is failing, so therefore they have to be removed. Okay, I think the next one will give you the topmost one. So, M equal to 11. M equal to 11. 3 into 11, 33. 11 square, 121 minus 9 by 2. 112 by 2, that is 56. Next, 56 plus 9, 65. Yes, this is the topmost one. If you write the list of OFPN with the characteristic 9, the first one at the top of the list is 33, 56, 65. Do you remember that these numbers I have utilized in creating the problems with the sin theta, cos theta? Earlier, I have given some problems, given sin theta, find tan theta, given cos theta, find cot theta, etc. There, in one of the problems, I have used this 33, 56, 65, if you remember. Please go back and see, I have used these numbers. Next, after 11, what is the next one? Odd number 13. M equal to 13. So, you will get 3 into 13, 39. 13 square, 169 minus 9, 160 by 2, 80. Next one is 80 plus 9, 89. This is also correct. 39, 80, 89. And these numbers also I have used in sin theta, tan theta problems, if you remember. But again, next one is failing because there will be a common factor. Next odd number is 15. 15 means you will get what? 45. 3 into 15. 15 square minus 9. 225 minus 9 by 2. 116 by 2. Is it not? That is 58. For 58, if you add so okay, this is also 58. If you add what? 9. 9 we have to add 67. Okay, I think this is okay. M equal to 15. Sorry, 225 minus 9 is 216, not 116. By 2 is 108, not 58. This is 108. And the next one is 117 if you add 9. So are they okay? They look like okay, but they are not correct, because these are actually 5, 12, 13. 5, 12, 13 characteristic 1 only. 13 minus 12. This we are multiplying by 9. 9 into 5, 45. 9 into 12, 108. 9 into 13, 117. So 45, 108, 117. 9 is a common factor, so we cannot accept them. So in between some 11, 13 are okay, but m equal to 11, m equal to 13 okay, but m equal to 15 is failing. Similarly, next m equal to 17, m equal to 19 will be okay, and m equal to 21 may be failing. So like that you will get some pattern. But at the top of the list is 33, 56, 65. Okay. That is about characteristic 9. Characteristic 1, what is at the top of the list? 3, 4, 5. Next one 5, 12, 13, etc. Okay. Characteristic 2, 8, 15, 17 is at the top. Next 12, 35, 37. So on. Next characteristic 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No numbers at all. No numbers at all. C minus B is equal to 8. So at the top of the list 20, 21, 29. 20, 21, 29. Afterwards what? What is the second one? Second one is 28, 45, 53. C minus B is equal to 9. C minus B is equal to 9. At the top of the list is 33, 56, 65. Next one is 39, 80, 89, and so on. So on, the list continues, and each list is consisting of infinite number of Pythagorean triplets. Okay. So next characteristic 10, 11, 12, etc. The same way we can investigate also. Okay. So let us leave it here. Let us go to a new problem. Okay, next page, I am starting a new problem. I say 1, 2, 2 is equal to 3. What I mean by saying 1, 2, 2 is equal to 3 is, just I am saying 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square is equal to 3 square. That is the meaning of 1, 2, 2 is equal to 3. So is it correct? 1 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 3 square 9. 1 plus 4 plus 4, 9 is equal to 9. Correct? This is correct. Okay. Next one is 2, 3, 6 is equal to 7. Means 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square is equal to 7 square. Is it correct or wrong? Let us see. 2 square is 4, 3 square 9, 6 square 36, 7 square 49. 36 plus 4 40, 40 plus 9 49. Okay, this is also correct. Next one is 3, 4, 12 is equal to 13. It means 3 square plus 4 square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square. Here Pythagorean numbers are coming. We know that 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. And also we know that 5 square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square. This is correct. Because 3, 4, 5 Pythagorean triplet, 5, 12, 13 is also Pythagorean triplet with the characteristic 1. This minus this 1. So 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13. 3 square plus 4 square, 5 square. 5 square plus 12 square, 13 square. So this is correct. Now my question is, can anybody tell what is the next one? Please raise your hand and tell what are the next numbers. Anybody in the class? 1, 2, 2 is equal to 3, 2, 3, 6 is equal to 7, 3, 4, 12 is equal to 13. There is a pattern there. Some pattern is coming out. So recognize the pattern and predict the next one. What is the next one? Any student from the class is welcome. Just 1 minute, somebody is raising his hand. So let me see. Just wait. Madhuri, please answer. What is the next one?
Sir,
4, 5
20.
is equal to what? 4, 5, 20, correct. Is equal to what? Is equal to right side also you have to tell. Your chance is over. So somebody, Aditya, please answer. Why you have raised your hand? If you are, so you must tell the answer immediately. So I am doing, after raising your hand, you cannot say, I am doing it, sir. What is that? Tanmai, please your answer. Tanmai.
21.
4, 5, 20 is equal to 21. Next one, can you tell me? Next one. Tanmai, please, next one. So, who is raising your hand? Somebody is raised. Monish, please answer. What is the next one? Monish, you have raised your hand and you are not talking. Sivasai Subramanian, please answer. What is the next one? Subramanian.
Sir, it is 4, 6, 24 is equal to 25.
Wrong. Completely wrong. Okay. Completely wrong. Kunal Achintya, please respond. What is the next one? Kunal. Huh?
Sir, 5, 6, 30 is equal to 31, sir.
That is correct. 5, 6, 30 is equal to 31. What is the next one? Tell me. Come on, Kunal.
Sir, 6, 7, 42 is equal to 43.
Correct. Next one also please tell me. Kunal.
7, 8, 56 is equal to 57.
Okay, thank you. Somebody is raising their hand. Let me see. Johnny Mahit, please. Johnny Mahit, please answer. What is the next one? After 7, 8, 56 is equal to 57. What is the next one? Johnny Mahit. Johnny Mahit has raised his hand and not responding. Lalit Chandra, please respond. What is the next one? Lalit Chandra. After 7, 8, 56 is equal to 57. What is the next one?
Sir, 8, 9, 72 is equal to 73.
What is the next one?
Sir, 9, 10, 90 is equal to 91.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Tanmayi, please respond. What is the next one? Tanmayi.
Sir, 10, 11, and then 102 is equal to 103.
10, 11?
102,
No, wrong. 1 or 2 wrong. Come on. 1 or 2 wrong. 110. 110. 9, 10 into 11, 110. 111. Okay. So, Sashidhar, please respond. What is the next one? Sashidhar, after 10, 11, 110, what is the next one? Sashidhar. Sashidhar. Sashidhar, you are not responding. Srivasal, please respond. After 10, 11, 110, what is the next one? 11, 12, correct. 11, 12. 11, 12. 1. Wrong. 11 into 12 also you are not able to calculate. 11 into 12 is 132. Okay. Okay, please stop. Please stop. The time is over. Please stop, all of you. The time is over. Okay. So this is the pattern. 1, 2, 2 is equal to 3. 2, 3, 6 is equal to 7. 2, 3. 1, 2. Next 2, 3. 3, 4. Consecutive natural numbers. 4, 5. 5, 6. 6, 7. 7, 8. 8, 9. 9, 10. 10, 11. 11, 12. What is the next number? Their product. 1 into 2. 2. 2 into 3. 6. 3 into 4. 12. 4 into 5. 20. 5 into 6. 30. 6 into 7. 42. What is 7 into 8? 56. 8 into 9. 72. 9 into 10. 90. 10 into 11. Somebody is saying here 102. 10 into 11, not 102, it is 110. 11 into 12. Somebody is saying here 121. It is not 121. 11 into 12 is 132. What about the right side number? Last number plus 1, 2 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 12 plus 1, 20 plus 1, 30 plus 1, 42 plus 1, 56 plus 1, 72 plus 1, 90 plus 1, 110 plus 1, 132 plus 1. Okay. So for example, you can start 20, 21. Two consecutive numbers, 2, 20, 20. What is their product? What is 20 into 21? 420. Okay. Is equal to what? 421. Just you have to add 1. This way. So generalize, let us generalize this. Suppose first number is x. What is the next number? X plus 1. What is the third number? their product x into x plus 1. Their product x into x plus 1 is equal to what side? What is the right side number? Last number plus 1. X into x plus 1 plus 1. So I want you to prove this. So please send your solutions to my WhatsApp number 98495 92007. So general proof I want for this. Proof means what? Prove that. So you have to send me your proofs for this. X square plus x plus 1 whole square plus x into x plus 1 whole square is equal to, you have to prove that it is x into x plus 1 plus 1 whole square. So for this is general statement, is it not? First number x, second number x plus 1, third number x into x plus 1, right side number x into x plus 1 plus 1. So prove that x square plus x plus 1 whole square plus x into x plus 1 whole square is equal to x into x plus 1 plus 1 whole square. You have to prove this, and this is true for all x. Not only natural numbers, for all x belonging to R. For all real numbers, this is correct. Actually, we are using it for natural numbers, is it not? X is 1, x plus 1 is 2, like that. But it is true for all natural, all real numbers. If x equal to root 2 or root 3 also, this is correct. Okay. So please send your solutions to this number. Okay. Let us go forward and see. So we have to find numbers here A, B, C such that A, B, C is equal to D. If I say A, B, C is equal to D, what I mean is A square plus B square plus C square is equal to D square. So A, B, C must be natural numbers. A, B, C natural numbers. A square plus B square plus C square is equal to D square. And D minus C, let us put one more condition also. A less than or equal to B less than or equal to C less than D. So let us put them in order. Smallest one is A, next one is B, next one is C. Right side number, of course, it is the greatest one. Okay. Now D minus C, like our characteristic. So here it is D minus C is equal to 1. So it is not responding. Why? Okay. Just like our characteristic, D minus C, let it be 1. Here we have seen 1, 2, 2 is equal to 3. 2, 3, 6 is equal to 7. 3, 4, 12 is equal to 13. Okay, 13. So this is A, B, C is equal to D. D minus C means this difference. This difference you can see. It is 1 only here. For all these numbers 1. Same difference we are keeping. D minus C is equal to 1. Let us find some other numbers other than these numbers. 1, 2, 2 is equal to 3, 2, 3, 6 is, this list is there. Okay. Apart from this, any other numbers can we find? Let us see. So we'll take D square to the other side. D square minus C square is equal to A square plus B square. d square minus c square, d plus c into d minus c. D square minus c square is d plus c into d minus c. But d minus c is 1. This is 1. Okay. So therefore d plus c itself is a square plus b square. Below you write d minus c is equal to 1. Add them. You will get 2d. 2d is equal to a square plus b square plus 1. Subtract them. You will get 2c. A square plus b square minus 1. Okay. Left hand side 2d and 2c are even. So right hand side also must be even means what? One of them, a and b, out of them one must be even, one must be odd. A, b. One even, one odd. So if one even and one odd, what happens? Even square is even, odd square is odd, even plus odd, odd plus 1, even. Okay. So if one is even, other one is odd, even square will be even, odd square will be odd, even plus odd, odd plus 1, even. 2d is even. So that way it will be correct. So if you take both of them even, what happens? If a is even, b is even, a square is even, b square is even plus 1 will become odd, whereas left hand side 2d is even. So that will become wrong. Similarly, both odd also. Both odd, a is odd means a square is odd, b is odd means b square is odd plus odd even plus 1, odd left hand side is even. So both cannot be even, both cannot be odd, one must be even, one must be odd. So let us put a table now. Okay. So a, b, c is 2c is a square plus b square minus 1. So c is a square plus b square minus 1 by 2. What about d? D is 2d is a square plus b square plus 1. So a square plus b square plus 1 by 2. So okay. So we have got this. Remember that out of a and b, one must be even, one must be odd. One must be even, one must be odd. Suppose if you take 1 here, 2 here, so 1 is odd, 2 is even, then you will get our result. What do you get here? 1 square plus 2 square, 2. And here you will get 3. Because d minus c is 1. D minus c is 1. So after getting c, just add 1 to get d. So that is 3. So 1 is odd, 1 is, so if you take a 2 and b 3, because you have to take 1 even and 1 odd means, you can take consecutive natural numbers. Every 2 consecutive natural numbers, out of every 2 consecutive natural numbers, 1 will be even, other one will be odd. So you can take 2, 3. Then you will get 6, 7. This is our list only. Just now we have seen 1, 2, 2 is equal to 3, 2, 3, 6 is equal to 7, 3, 4, 12 is equal to 13. Like this you will get. Okay. So, but let us get different numbers, not that numbers in the list, but different numbers let us get. So, what do you do? Not consecutive natural numbers, but A I have taken 1. B don't take 2, but take some other even number, because 1 even, 1 odd. Already 1 is odd, so B must be even. So let us take 4. So 1, 4 means C is what? 1 square minus 1 gone, 4 square, 16 by 2, 8. And that one will be, just add another 1, you will get 9. 1, 4, 8 is equal to 9. So that means 1, 4, 8 is equal to 9. Means 1 square plus 4 square plus 8 square is equal to 9 square. You can check up if you want. You can check up if you want. That will be correct. So next, similarly, suppose if you take 2 even number, then other number you have to take odd number. Is it not? Say 5. So 2 square plus 5 square, 29 minus 1, 28 by 2, 14. If it is 14, next number will be 15. 2, 5, 14 is equal to 15. 2, 5, 14 is equal to 15. Means what? 2 square plus 5 square plus 14 square is equal to 15 square. So that will be true. You can check up if you want. So like this you can generate numbers. 1, 2 over. Next number 3. Odd number. So next one should be even. Other one should be even, is it not? So let it be 6. So 3 square plus 6 square. 9 plus 36. 45. 45 minus 1, 44 by 2, 22. D, just add 1, 23. So that means 3, 6, 22 is equal to 23. 3, 6, 22 is equal to 23. That means 3 square plus 6 square plus 22 square is equal to 23 square. So these will be useful in your physics also. Physics, you are having vectors 3i, 3, 6, 22. 3i plus 6j plus 22k. What is the modulus of this vector? It is just 23. 3, 6, 22 is equal to 23. So here you say 1, 4, 8 is equal to say 9. 1, 4, 8 means I plus 4j. 1, 4, 8 plus 8k. What is the modulus of this vector? 1, 4, 8. It is just equal to 9. 1, 4, 8 is equal to 9. Because modulus of the vector 1i plus 4j plus 8k is root of 1 square plus 4 square plus 8 square. But we know that 1 square plus 4 square plus 8 square is 9 square. So root of 9 square, that is 9. Okay, similarly 2i plus 5j plus 14k. What is the modulus of this vector? 15 units. So this way you can use them. Okay. Next, what I want is, with the difference 2, can you generate numbers? A square plus b square plus c square is equal to d square. Difference 2 means d minus c is equal to 2. Of course, a less than or equal to b less than or equal to c less than d. Order is there. D minus c is 2. So d square minus c square is equal to a square plus b square. D plus c into d minus c. A square plus b square. D minus c is 2. That means here we have to put 2. 2 I will take to the other side. So d plus c is equal to what? A square plus b square by 2. D minus c is 2. D minus c we have seen difference is 2. So we take these two equations, adding them. 2d is equal to a square plus b square by 2 plus 2. Subtracting, you get 2c. A square plus b square by 2 minus 2. So what can you say about a and b? Both should be even or both should be odd? One even, one odd. Left hand side 2d is even, 2c is also even. Right hand side this 2 is even, minus 2 is also even. So therefore a square plus b square by 2 should be even. Is it not? A square plus b square by 2 should be even. It should not be a fraction. So both must be even. A and b both must be even. A, B both even. So if one is even, one is odd, what happens? If A is even, B is odd, A is even, B is odd means A square is even, B square is odd, even plus odd, odd by 2 will be fraction. It is not an integer, is it not? So that is why one even, one odd should be avoided. So you may ask why we cannot take both odd. If A is odd, B is odd, odd square is odd square is also odd plus odd even, by 2 is not a fraction, you may ask. But that is also not correct, because A is odd means A will be in the form 2m plus 1. B is also odd means it will be in the form 2n plus 1. Then what is A square plus B square? Let us see. 2m plus 1 whole square plus 2n plus 1 whole square. So you will get here 4m square plus 4m plus 1 plus 4n square plus 4n plus 1. You take 4 common in all these three, all these. So 4 into m square plus n square plus m plus n. Plus remaining ones, 2 ones are there, 2. This is a square plus b square. So by 2 is there. So what happens if you divide by 2? By 2. So 2 into dividing by 2. In the bracket this will remain same. Because you are dividing by 2, you get 1. That means 2 into something plus 1 means it is an odd number. Is it not? If A and B are odd, then A square plus B square by 2 is not a fraction, it is an integer, but it is always odd. 2 into something is even, plus 1 will be there. For example, you see both odd, A is equal to 3, B is equal to 5. What is A square plus B square by 2? 9 plus 25 by 2, 34 by 2, 17 is an odd number. So A square plus B square by 2 will be always odd number if both A and B are odd. So this is odd number. Here 2 is even, even plus odd, odd, but whereas left hand side is even. So that is why both even number, both odd numbers are should not take. A and B cannot be both odd. If one is even, one is odd, then A square plus B square by 2 itself is a fraction. Okay, so both must be even. So that is the conclusion there. Let us remove all this. Okay. So let us put the table A, B. Next what? C. 2c is A square plus B square by 2 minus 2. So dividing by 2 again, C is equal to A square plus B square by 4 minus 1. and D is 2D is a square plus b square by 2 plus 2. Dividing by 2 you will get a square plus b square by 4 plus 1. So remember that both must be even. A, B, both even. Both even only we should take. Okay. So both even means you can take equal also. Say 4, 4 you can take. What is 4 square plus 4 square by 4? 4 square plus 4 square by 4. 16 plus 16, 32 by 4. 8, 8 minus 1, 7. Difference is 2, you will get 9 here. D minus C is 2. So after getting C, just add 2, you will get D. 4, 4, 7 is equal to 9. 4, 4, 7 is equal to 9 means what? 4 square plus 4 square plus 7 square is equal to 9 square. You can check up. So what is the modulus of the vector 4i plus 4j plus 7k? What is the mod of this vector? 4, 4, 7. It should be 9. It is equal to 9. So this way you can answer. Okay. Next 6, 6. 6, 6. 6 square plus 6 square. 72 by 4. 18. 18 minus 1, 17. To get the next number, add 2. That's all, 19. So 6, 6, 17 is equal to 19. 6 square plus 6 square plus like that. So 2, 6. Both even. 2 square plus 6 square. 2 square plus 6 square is what? 36 plus 4, 40 by 4. 10, 10 minus 1, 9. Difference is 2, next number is 11. 2, 6, 9 is equal to 11. 2 square plus 6 square plus 9 square is equal to 11 square. So like this both even you can take, and sometimes you may get common factors. Okay. Here there of course there are no common factors. Sometimes you may get common factors like see, suppose I take 2, 4. Both are even numbers, I take 2, 4. 2 square plus 4 square, 20 by 4, 5 minus 1, 4. And 4 plus 2, 6. This is not acceptable because common factor is there. 2 is a common factor. If I divide by 2, I will get what? 1, 2, 2, 3. If I divide by 2. And this already we have seen. 1, 2, 2 is equal to 3. We have seen it. 1, 2, 2 is equal to 3. That we are taking and multiplying by 2. So this one is not acceptable. Okay. So like this you can get different numbers. These are useful in your physics also. Okay. Students, I am giving certain problems for homework. Please, all of you, please try and send your answers. WhatsApp your answers to this number, to my number. So I'll question number 1. Please refer to these questions with the numbers and send your answers. Question number 1. Find all n belonging to capital N. That means find all natural numbers such that n square plus 45 is a perfect square. Find all natural numbers n such that n square plus 45 is a perfect square. Question number 2. (31 power 11) comma 17 power 14. (31 power 11, comma 17 power 14). Which is bigger? Which is bigger? 31 power 11 or 17 power 14? Which is bigger? You have to find out. Okay. Next. Question number 3. Find the coefficient of x power 9 in the expansion of in the expansion of 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x cube into 1 plus x power 4 so on up to 1 plus x power 100. So that's all. These are the 3 questions. Please send your answers, solutions to my WhatsApp number 98495 92007. Okay. Okay, students. We'll meet again tomorrow. So I will be waiting for your answers. Okay, thank you.